Stay safe, happy learning, say no to theft of electricity for the first time every time. In this video, we shall learn about trip-free mechanism of the circuit breaker. A circuit breaker takes finite time to close. If a fault is found to exist on the output circuit during closing operation, then it needs to open again as fast as possible. Waiting until the circuit breaker is fully closed before starting the opening operation is not a preferred option. Most types of circuit breakers therefore almost all types of high voltage circuit breakers have a mechanism whereby tripping mechanism or tripping action is initiated anytime after the start of closing operation, preferably before closing of the circuit. This mechanism is known as trip-free mechanism of circuit breakers. As the closing operation started, the over-center lock, here is over-center lock, the over-center lock was set. If a fault was detected on the line during the completion of the closure operation, a trip signal will be sent to the breaker, which using a solenoid would knock the over-center mechanism into trip position. The massive springs which held the energy to separate the contacts would be free to open the breaker. During this time, the closing operation will continue, but with the trip initiated would not be, the closing operation will not be succeeded. That's all in this video. Thank you. Stay safe. Please check your subscription so that you don't miss next video from this channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.